Okay, once again I say lesson 11.6, investigate, understand volume, is a very, 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 very important lesson because it's there in the test and because you will start learning the volume. You will start learning because till yesterday you were learning about the cubes. You were counting the cubes and you were saying me the volume. But today you will have a formula and you will calculate the volume with that. So let us begin. Are you all ready, girls? I have 7 girls here. 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 4 or 5 girls who has not yet joined. Anyways, you know very well that this is cubic unit and we have volume. The cubic unit we have, you know that each cube, and we have volume, and volume of a cube, girls, is not, it means it's the amount of space a solid figure occupies. It's a amount of space a solid figure occupies and is measured girls, give me a moment, girls. I'm just coming back. कौन से बता दो?
भेजो.
Yes, girls. So, volume is the measure of the amount of a space a solid figure occupies and is measured in cubic units. All right. You know how to count this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I join both of them, it will give you this, right? If you join both of them, you know how to play blocks. If I join both of them, it will give you this. Now, the rectangular prism above is made up of 8 unit cubes. So we say the volume is 8 cubic units. Because it is 8 unit cubes, you have 8 cubes there. We call it as 8 cubic units. Now, how many centimeter? Leave this, girls, and directly come to leave this. Or just if they ask you about, just write down this, girls, and I'll come back to this page.
Miss, is this question like for the B? Is it gonna come in the final?
No, because this is activity. Cut out, fold, and tape.
Okay.
So of course it is not there. You can put a cross mark there. Or,
okay, can you go down?
Yeah, or better, this you leave it. So that you don't write, you will.
I'll just write not in the test.
Okay. Yes, but above 1, this might be there. This we have done, but these materials I will not give you. Now, next year, guys. Very carefully listen.
Miss, we didn't write still down.
It's okay.
Because we didn't need it.
Don't write it. But first,
Miss, it's just like the last lesson. You just count.
No, little bit different because you have to apply formula now. What is the formula of volume? Girls, if I ask you what is the formula of volume, you will say me L times B times H. Remember, length or L times W. L, W, H. Length, width, and height. Again, length, width, and height. Need to multiply. Everyone, are you all listening to me? Jana, Judy,
Yeah.
Feroz, Haifa. Now, everyone knows that this is the length, okay? So first thing I'm going to write here, L equal. This is not in the book. Just see here, girls. If you want, you can just copy in the rough or leave it. Just look at here. L is 5. What is the width? The width is 3. Yeah, this is the width. See, this is the width.
It's just like, Miss, it's just like the perimeter.
Yes. No. Perimeter is you will add all the sides, girls. 5, width is 3, and height is 3. Width is 3, and height is also.
Miss, so in the test, you're going to give us just like that, and then we're going to write.
I have to give you this picture. I have to give you this picture and I will ask what is the volume. You will say
Miss,
that you
I
have
have a question.
1 minute. Girl.
Will we have to multiply it?
Let me complete here, Maria. Let me complete this question and then I will inquire. Okay. See, sometimes they don't give you this written 5, 3, and 3, but you can count. You know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. And 1, 2, 3. This is 3. So what is the formula? Volume equals L times W times H. That is equals to 5 times 3 times 3. What is 5 times 3? 15. You have to do 15, 3,
15.
45. So your answer will be 45 cubic unit. Your answer will be 45 cubic unit. Now, let me know your questions. I'm here. I will inquire. I will clear your questions now. Come on.
Okay, Hayas.
That's what I told you to just wait. Girls, everyone, Judy,
Mister, like
Yes.
basically we're gonna have to write like the number and then centimeter.
See, you have to write the number and you have to write cubic centimeter. See,
So it's only centimeter, like nothing else, like not
no,
decimeter
nothing else.
or decameter.
Nothing. Like, see, yours, it will be 6. What is the length? 6 times 3 times 4. 6 times 3 times 4. So 6 times 3 is 18. And if I do 18 and 4, let me multiply. 18 and 4,
Okay.
multiply.
What is gonna be
24, put 4 and the 2 up.
4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7, 72. So I got 72 cubic centimeter. 72 cubic centimeter. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now let us come to your textbook. Okay, again. Please put a cross mark to question 1 and question 2. And come down here. Come down here and put a tick mark here. We will only do this question on this page. We will only do this question on this page. So what is it? Of course, you will multiply the length. You will multiply the width.
Miss, should we put
Height.
the...
Am I right? You will multiply the length,
Yes.
width, and the height. So how much it is? 3, 6 are 18. And 18 times 2. 18 times 2 is 18. 3 times 6, 18. 18 times 2 equals 36. 36 cubic feet. Now, why you will not say cubic centimeter? Because they said if cubic centimeter, it is centimeter. If it is inch, you will write cubic inch. If it is feet, you will write cubic feet. You have 3 different answers because in the question they have asked you. If they ask you cubic centimeter, you will write cubic centimeter. If they ask you inches, they will write in inches. If they ask you feet, you will write in feet. And put a cross mark here. Again, the writing part. Please, girls, while studying, tell your parents what teacher did not do. She said not to cover, not to do in the test, okay? Feroz, did you understand this?
Yeah.
Sure? It's very simple. You just take the length, the width, and height, and then you multiply it. Okay. Now,
I thought it was gonna be harder, but
no, one by one, I'm going to ask you. Haifa? Haifa? Mariana?
yes.
What is the length?
Yeah.
Here? What is the length here, Haifa? Length. Length means what is the base. How much is the length? This is the length, Haifa. What is the length? Mariana, what is the length?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeter. Okay. What is the width?
4 centimeters.
Again, width is 4 centimeter. 1 minute. W equal 4 cm. Next,
3 cm.
3 cm. What I am going to do to know the volume? To know the volume, I need to
Multiply them.
4 times 4 times 4 times 3. So 16 prime 3. What is 16 times 3? Let us come here, write on 16. Come here, write on 3. And let us multiply. So 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3. And then you get 48. So your answer is 48 cubic centimeter. Okay?
Okay.
Next. Judy.
Yes.
Okay, Judy. Come to question number 2. And tell me, how will you do it? How much is the length? How much is the width? How much is the height?
The length is 2 centimeters.
My dear, remember, everyone, this
I meant 2 inches.
this is the length. This is the length here. This is the width. And this is the height. You must know that. So what is the length?
3 inches.
Just give me a moment. Yes, girls. So 3 times 2 times 3. Yes, can you tell me, Judy? 3 times 2 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. No. 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 times 4, this is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Did you understand, Judy?
Yes.
Maybe out of 10 questions, I will give you 5 questions from like this. Is it okay, girls? Will you do it?
5
Yeah.
questions? Yes, it's so easy from this lesson.
See, if in the test I give you 24 cubic centimeter, see the question. If it is inches, do inches. If it is cubic centimeter, do centimeter. Whatever is there given, you have to follow that, okay?
So you're going to give us just like the book, right?
My dear, I can change the numbers. How can I give exactly like the...
Yeah, like the same like example, like 4, like
Yeah.
like those.
Yes.
This, I finished the whole page and I finished the homework. It's so easy.
So like that's
Okay.
how.
Okay. Now question number 3 and 4, I want you all to do it by your own now, and I will ask you. I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll ask you. I will just briefly say to the girls who did not do it, you will just take 6, 2, and 3. You'll multiply 5, 4, and 3. You're going to multiply. Now here, in this, you have to compare. Like, see, I will give you one kind of question. You have to solve both. Like this one is 8 times. This one is 8 times 2 times 2. Okay? So I got 32 cubic inches. All right? Now when I do this one, I have 4 times. Are you all seeing this? Are you all seeing?
Yes.
So I have to compare both. 4 times 2. So I got 16 times 32. That means cubic inches. Both are same. Both are cubic inches and both are 32. That means they are equal. So what sign?
Miss, how are they? How it is the answer 32?
Which
So
one?
4 times 4 equals 24. And then
Oh, I want to jump from here. 4 times 4 is never 24.
what?
Times 4 is 16.
Oh,
Ah.
never mind.
So both I got 32. That means both are equal.
Equal.
Both are.
Okay, I did a little bit of a
Now-
mistake in the time
Now,
table.
did you understand, girls? Please, this is
Yeah.
a very, very important lesson. Stop me there. Stop me there, okay? Now,
Miss, all of them are right.
both of them are equal. Here, 9, if I do this one, 9 times 4 times 3. All right? So let us do 9 times 4 is 36. 36 times 3 is 3, 6, 18, 9. 108. 108.
Okay, I finished and I
Okay, and here you got 8 times 5 times 2. So this one is 8 times 5 is 40. 40 times 2 is equals 80. 80 cubic feet. So when you compare 80 and 108, of course, 108 is greater than 80. So you need to put a greater sign. Now this I will give an option. I will give an option that like this is A and this is B. Which one is greater? Is A, which cube is greater? I will just ask you which is greater or which one is smaller. Okay?
okay.
Because yeah, it will be in a different way, but it will be there definitely one question from it. So this is what this was share and show. We'll go to on your own. There is no on your own in this, right? There is no on your own section. Why?
Yeah.
Anyways, okay, anyways, come to this, put a cross mark to all of them. We will do question number 10. I will select somebody. Feroz, no, not Feroz. Let me say somebody else. Okay,
Miss
Okay,
Feroz.
okay, Maria, come on.
No, Feroz. Okay. 4 times 3
Okay, 1 minute.
times
Yeah, just tell me what do you have to do here, Maria, and then Feroz will say the answer. What will you do here?
Okay.
Multiply
You will multiply the width
4 times
the length
the width and the height. Okay.
and the height.
Multiply this. What do I get? 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5.
4 times 5 is 60.
Excellent. I know that Maria knows it. Okay.
Yeah.
And Feroz, what should I write after 60? What is the unit?
Unit
You have centimeters. So what will you say?
60
Cubic?
centi.
No.
Cubic feet.
Yes.
Cubic
Centimeters.
centimeter.
Never forget cubic. Okay, Feroz? Never forget the word cubic.
Okay.
That's it. Anything else, sweetie? Everyone
Nope.
understand the lesson well? All right. So we have a lot of time left. We have 8 minutes left now. So I will just tell you to take the picture of something.